The topic of today's video is how to claim credit back on Temu. Now, guys, contrary to popular belief, you don't have to search for credit back or whatever on the search bar of Temu. First thing you need to do is obviously check your credit balance, and you can do that by clicking on the U icon in the center, and you can see credit balance on the left hand side. Now, when you just do a normal checkout, buy whatever, you will be prompted to use your credit balance if you have one upon checking out. That is all there is to it. There is no extra step that you need to do. All you need to do is check out and you will be prompted. They will ask you, do you want to use X amount of credit balance? You can say yes or no. And that is all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing as it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next video.